Ever tried to edit a scanned PDF only to realize it's basically just a flat, unclickable image? It is incredibly frustrating. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily turn those stubborn scans into fully editable text using Wondershare PDFelement's powerful OCR tool. If you want to follow along, you can head over to pdf.wondershare.com to download the software. PDFelement is an all-in-one PDF editor that works across desktop, mobile, and the web. What makes it stand out is how it simplifies complex document tasks by combining traditional editing tools with smart AI. To edit a scanned document, all you have to do is open your file in PDFelement and run the PDF OCR tool. It scans the image, recognizes the letters, and converts them into searchable, editable text in seconds. Once the OCR process is complete, you can type, delete, reformat, and edit the text just like you would in a standard word processor. Beyond OCR, PDFelement is packed with modern AI features. You can actually chat with your PDFs, generate quick summaries, translate documents on the fly, and even use an AI grammar checker to polish your writing. It also handles basic tasks like merging, converting, organizing, and legally e-signing documents. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have a configured database of external user reviews for this tool today. However, looking at the features, the major pro is definitely the sheer convenience of having OCR, desktop to mobile syncing, and cutting-edge AI tools all in one single app. On the flip side, because it is a premium feature-rich software, you will likely need to look into their personal, team, or education plans to unlock the full power of the advanced OCR and AI tools. If you're ready to stop retyping scanned documents from scratch, go ahead and visit pdf.wondershare.com to try it out for yourself. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and let me know in the comments how PDFelement worked for you. See you in the next video.